The most common question in the car world, which automatic transmission is best? You hear tales of the smooth, reliable old automatic, the efficient but strange CVT, and the lightning-fast, yet sometimes problematic, DSG. If you've ever bought a second-hand car, you've worried about these three. Today, we break down exactly how these three giants work and help you decide which is truly best for your wallet and your driving style. Meet the veteran, the traditional automatic, utilizing a hydraulic torque converter. Instead of a clutch, it uses fluid to smoothly transfer power from the engine. It's like stirring coffee with a spoon. The fluid links the two. Gears are changed using complex planetary gear sets. Pros: incredible reliability, smooth, proven technology. Cons: less efficient than modern systems, resulting in higher fuel consumption and slower shifts. This is the definition of reliability. Next is the continuous or constantly variable transmission, the CVT. Instead of fixed gears, it uses two conical pulleys and a belt or chain. By changing the effective diameter of the pulleys, the system achieves an infinite number of gear ratios. Pros: exceptional fuel efficiency because the engine stays at its most optimal RPM. Cons: they often create a rubber band feeling and are noisy under heavy acceleration. Durability can also be a concern if not properly maintained. Finally, the athlete, the dual clutch transmission, or DCT, famously known as the DSG in Volkswagens. This is essentially two manual gearboxes operating simultaneously. While the car is in first gear, the second clutch pre-selects second gear, ready to shift instantly. Pros: lightning-fast shifts, offering the best performance and excellent fuel economy. Cons: this mechanical complexity is its Achilles heel. They can be jerky in traffic, and if not properly serviced, the clutch packs can wear out prematurely, leading to expensive repairs. So, which is best? For ultimate reliability and comfort, the torque converter still wins. For maximizing fuel economy, the CVT takes the crown. But for the purest form of performance and speed, the DSG remains unmatched. Choose your fighter based on your priorities: reliability, efficiency, or speed.